This one is right by the Miami Executive Airport, so really central location, and it's a beautiful home. It is currently furnished. You can purchase the furniture if you want. That's not included in the price, but you can have it if you want. It has beautiful, beautiful decorations as well. So what do we have here? This is a 5-bedroom house. It's a newer construction, beautiful, it has a large yard. This is one of the largest lots in this community. And we have beautiful pool renderings for your visualization. So you can see how it can look like with a pool and a barbecue area and a gazebo. And I just want to show you real quick the layout a little bit. It has a beautiful open space kitchen, tons of cabinets, has a pantry here. So this is a double door pantry here. And then we have another smaller pantry here. Living area is huge. Josie, say hi. I brought my little helper here today. You have this really large yard. Side yard, and we have another side yard on this corner. You see, it's like really, really big yard. And the community has a beautiful Zen garden with a walking path. So, okay, back to this. We do have 2 living areas, a dining area, and then we have here a bathroom downstairs that could function as a cabana bath if you added a pool. And we have 1 bedroom downstairs, so you can use this for guests, for staff that works for you, for, a teenager, whatever you want to utilize it for. You have beautiful washer and dryer. And then we have, this is also a really great upgrade that a lot of the homes here don't have. They built out the garage really nicely. I'll show you. So if you like to be handy, this is really great. You have all the cabinets. You have this beautiful butcher block countertop. And then let's walk upstairs. I'm going to show you real quick the main bedroom. Again, here one more time. Living. Dining. And then here we have another living area. So upstairs, almost fell up the stairs. So okay, let's look at the main bedroom. It's huge. It's a really, really generous size. So you have 2 closets here. Look at this closet space. Look how big it is. And then I'm going to show you 2 more bedrooms real quick. So what I really love about this one is it has a Murphy bed built in. So you can utilize it for an office or for guests. And then we have the baby room here. Look how nice this is with the wallpaper. It's been done really nicely. And the built-out closets. And then there's 1 more bedroom up here. So a total of 5 bedrooms. They did a lot of customizations here, built out closets, they built out the garage, they added fencing. So they did a lot of nice things to this house. And this is the largest floor plan of the association, of the community. And it's one of the biggest lots. So really love this house. It's move-in ready, truly move-in ready. And let's look at the front real quick on how it looks from the front. Really cool also. The location is amazing because it's on a cul-de-sac. it's very quiet. So let me show you. So you have here, this is the cul-de-sac. So you're on a corner lot. Beautiful landscaping. It's very quiet. So, this is the house.